Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the small kit that I will listed in Zibbet shop. Yeah, please check it out if you are interested. And this one is author Dressform in the Bohemian or mixed media Bohemian style. So yeah, this is the tool that you can use, and this is this kind of the how to call this thing. Yeah, and this one and this flower. Okay, so and this four color of the trim, and this fabric, and this lace here, and one more this one here, and so this big trim as track, and also for this all these bronze metal pieces. So you get this flower. You can paint the color you like to match with your kit, the project, and this kind of stuff here. Butterfly. Okay, so yeah, all these items you can use to water your, and you have to paint the color that to match with your theme, because what I have only in the white color. So yeah, Phoebe have a project to share how she ordered this. So yeah, please check the photo the pictures from the album, and I will list the shop link below the description box. So yeah, thanks again for everyone. Bye bye.